Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can count words and characters in your document using Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my document in my Microsoft Word, and here I'm going to show you how you can count words and characters of this document. If you want to count words or characters, you can go to the review option right here, and you can go to word count feature. And here you will be able to get information about your document statistics. You'll be able to get information about the number of pages and the number of words you have, and also the characters, no space and with space, and also the paragraphs, line, non-Asian words, and Asian characters, and Korean words. Okay, then I'm just going to click on close. And okay guys, that's all the way to count words and characters in our document using Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.